Now, hello students. Today I am going to explain you the chapter number 4, that is working with table. So first let me tell you, this chapter is little bit too lengthy, so I divided it into two parts. So first part I am going to discuss in this video. So the content which we will study in this part is creating and entering data in a table and modifying a table. Only two topic I will discuss in this video. Now first introduction. So you have to create a table in MS Word. So first let me tell you what is MS Word. MS Word is a component of Microsoft Suite that is used to create professional looking document quickly and efficiently. Means you can create a document in a MS Word. It provides many features to change the appearance of a text in a desired manner. Means you can use so many features of MS Word to change its appearance. Means like clip art, shape, word art. These things you can use to change the appearance of your document. It also offers a flexible feature of presenting information in a tabular form. Means you can present your information in a table form. In a table form, it will look effective. Means a what is a table? I think all of you know, a table consists of a number of row and column, and it is very useful in organizing and representing the data in an effective manner. In third chapter, I think I told you about MS Word little bit, that MS Word is an application software. So now let's start with a table. Now what is a table? Table is an organized arrangement of text in the form of rows and column. See the figure here, it is written table, basically just a grid means that the line which cross each other to form a square. You can see the lines cross each other and form a square. This square is known as cell, and that horizontal arrangement of a cell is known as row, and the vertical arrangement of a cell is known as column. So we say that the intersection of row and column is called cell, and that the data in the form of text or graphic can be entered inside the cell. For inserting the table in a document, Word provides so many ways. Before starting to learn how to insert a table, let me discuss some component of the MS Word. So here you can see the title bar on which the name of the software is written, and then next here file, home, insert. These are the tab. These ribbon are called tab, means file tab, home tab, insert tab, page layout tab. This tab we will study this name, and then when you will click on any tab, it is divided into a particular group. Like here home tab is clicked, then it is divided into clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, and each group contains so many options. And see here also some group will have an arrow that you can click for more option. So whenever question is asked how will you insert that particular option, for that first you have to tell on which tab that option is present and on which group that option is present. So now let's start. How will you create a table? Word provides so many ways to create a table. In this chapter we will study two methods. First method is using table grid method. So I told you first you have to tell the tab and then group. So for using table grid method, you have to click on the insert tab, and then in which group, then in a table group click on the table button, then a grid will open in front of you. Cover Drag the mouse over the grid, then and cover the number of row and column that you want in your table, then select it, and automatically a table will inserted in your working area. What we will do, first click on the insert table button in the table group, then drag the mouse over the grid and cover the number of row and column that you want in your table, then automatically table will inserted in your working area. Second method is using insert table dialog box. This method is same as the previous one. Here same insert tab, table table group, table button. See here, insert table option is there. This you have to click. Means first insert tab, table button, table group, and then select the insert table option from the drop down menu. Then a table dialog box will open in front of you. This is the insert table dialog box in which you have to define the number of row and column that you required in your table. Then click on the OK option. Then that particular number of row and column table will inserted in your document. One more thing, here it is written, note that when you will insert a table, then a new table tool option is open on the title bar, and it is divided into two tabs. That is, two new tab will appear in front of you after inserting the table, that is design and layout tab. Whatever changes you want to do in your table, you have to use these two tabs. First is design tab and the second is now. Next is entering data. How will you enter data in your table? Now how will you insert data in a table? So no matter which of these methods you use to draw a table, but entering a data in a cell is the same. Simple. First select the cell and type. If you want to move from one cell to the next cell, means from suppose from name to English option, you can use tab key, and if you want to move backward, you can use shift plus tab key. Or you can use the arrow key, means if you want to move upside or downside, you can use up or down or arrow key, or if you want to move left or right, you can use left or right arrow key. This way you can move in a cell in a table. Now selecting different part of a table, sometime you have to select a cell, a row or a column or a table for applying the formatting. So you can use this method to select that particular cell, row, column or a table. So how will you select a cell? You have to click on the edge of the cell. How will you select a row? You have to click on the you have to move the how will you select a row? Move the mouse to the left of the row margin and click the left mouse button and drag to the end of the row. How will you select a column? Place the mouse pointer over the top of the column, then your cursor will change into black color. Then simple click on it, then whole column will be selected. How will you select the entire table? Two method you can use. First, from the table move handle. This is the figure of table move handle, and the second one is drag the mouse over the entire table. Next is how will you select text in a cell? Sometime you can also use to select a cell. So how will you select a cell? Here four way. First one is to select a word. If you want to select a single word, so you have to double click on that word. How will you select a sentence? Hold down the CTRL key and click anywhere in the sentence. How will you select a block of text? Drag the mouse over the text. How will you select a paragraph? Triple click on the paragraph. These are the four ways to select the text in a cell. Modifying a table. Sometime after entering a data in a table, you can make changes in the data as needed. Means sometime you can also insert a row and column according to the requirement, or sometime you want to delete the unwanted row and column or a cell from a table. So Word also offered the facility to insert a row and column or a delete row and column or a cell from the table. So these three topics we will discuss in under modifying a table, that is inserting column in a table, inserting row in a table, deleting row and column. So first, inserting column in a table. How will you insert column in a table? First, you have to select the cell on left or right you want to add a column. Then I told you that you will use only two tabs, that is layout tab and design tab. So here under the table tool option, click on the layout tab. When you will click on this layout tab, then again so many sub option will open in front of you, in which row and column group four option is there: insert below, left, right and delete and above option. So if you want to add the column to the left side of your selected cell, click on the insert left option. If you want to insert a column on the right side, select the insert right option. Again I am telling you, first select the cell to the left or right where you want to add a column, then under the table tool on the layout tab and on the layout tabs in a row and column group, select the insert left or right according to your requirement. Then that row and then left or right according to your requirement, then that particular column will be inserted according to your requirement to the left or right of the selected cell. Next is how will you insert row in a table. For adding row in or for adding row in a table, first you have to select the cell on above or below of which you require a row. Then again under the table tools on the layout tab, do one of the following. See, same here under the layout tab, row and column group, two option is there. You can see insert above or insert below option. So according to your requirement, below option to add a row on the above or below of this cell. Again I am telling you, first you have to select the cell, then under the table tools option on the layout tab, do one of the following. To add a row above the cell, click insert above option in the row and column group, and to add row below the cell, click insert below in the row and column group. Then particular row will be inserted according to your requirement. Next is deleting row and column. How will you delete row and column? So for this, first you have to select that particular row and column that you want to delete. Then same under the table tool on the layout tab in the row and column group, click the delete option. Then three option is there: delete column, delete row and delete table. Then according to your requirement, if you want to delete the full column, select the delete column. Want to delete the row, select the delete row option, and if you want to delete the table option, select the delete table option. Then that particular row, column or table will be deleted from the table. Now students, my explanation is completed. This is not the end of the chapter, only first part of the chapter is completed. Next part you will get in the next video. On the basis of this topic, I am giving you some question answer. Try to write these question answer in your rough copy, and also try to learn this question answer. Now first question is define table. I told you table. What is a table? Table is an arrangement of row and organized arrangement of text in the form of row and column. What is the use of MS Word? It is used to create a professional looking document. In the same way, how will you insert a table? Using table grid method. Next, how will you insert a column in a table? And the last one is, which action will you use to select a sentence and a paragraph in a cell? Now thank you students.